What's up, everybody? Got an update video of what I've been doing. Lately I haven't been doing much, been lazy, haven't been working on the truck until now. So, things that I've done, I ran my 4.2/0 from the alternator on the front, running under the frame, under the truck, zip tied real nice, coming up right here to my 4 fuse distribution block. And I did the same with the grounds. This is a GP car audio ground block, and so all my grounds and all my runs of power, they come under the truck right there, all the way across to the front. Got my 2 batteries mounted, strapped down. This is just for test fitting. I still gotta add like a block or something here to stop it from moving around, and on the other side and on the front. But it's looking good, exactly what I wanted. Then I'm gonna continue my runs from here, and then go up. This is my positive, this is my negative, and I want to have the wires crisscross, negative to negative, positive to positive. I think that looked cool instead of just having straight across. But anyway, I decided to cut a hole on my seat right here, just so I was thinking about running my grounds through this hole, but it was too narrow at the beginning, so I went to my work, cut it out, made it look ugly, but it's a hole. Alright, I am going to put some kind of protection around it. I got this booth I'm going to cut up and use somehow in there. Originally it was to pass this elbow, pass my wires through, but that was too complicated, so the easiest thing was just to do that. Then I'm going to seal them from down below with some foam, so no dust, water, or anything can get in. And then, so I built this platform, mounted it in, it's all solid. Mounted and built this platform too. This is where my amps are going to sit. So I'm thinking about my Stetson just being on 1-inch block rubber spacers or something, and being off the ground about 1 inch or so. And then I was thinking to build on top of it a little, another, what's it called, an amplifier rack, weld one, and have a platform about this high or whatever, and long and wide enough to fit my MVX 4-channel. This thing's a beauty. It's a heavy beauty. Beautiful 1/0 inputs. Model number is the XAD42. Sorry about the angles. Beautiful amp. But I want to mount this up there on that platform I'm thinking of building, and I also want to mount this base reconstruction processor. It's basically a Audio Control branded Epicenter and a Blockpont branded name, I guess. Everything is high quality. I'm excited to plug this in. Never had one of those, so we'll see how that goes. But yeah, this is what's going on. Working on it. Got my RCAs and my speaker wires, everything ran to there, easy to hook up to my amplifiers. This is where my speaker outputs are going to be. My power and ground inputs are going to be over there, so I'm going to run the wires and snake them through. I don't know, it's going to look good. Also back here I added another sound deadener layer, and I glued and screwed this piece of 3/4 inch MDF to help with that back window flexing. I think that's going to do great. But yeah, I got a lot of work still to do. Got a lot of this stuff to get rid of still. Everything here basically is going to get installed on the truck at one point or another. I got this templates right here for the windows, this quarter windows. So this quarter windows, I'm going to block them out. This template's looking a little rough, it's old, but fine tune at the end will make it look good. So I'm gonna get some 3/8 inch plywood or MDF or whatever it may be, cut it to this template, and then I'll have a 6.5 here, and then a tweeter here, and then another 6.5 here of this speakers. Or any other way, but anyway, so that's what's going to happen with those. I'm gonna wire those, take advantage of all the power this amplifier can give per channel, down to 1 ohm. It's crazy, never heard of. And then I upgraded my 8-inch speakers on the doors. Now I got the MPX-8 Scar Audio MPX 6.5, and then the Scar Audio, I don't remember the name of this tweeters, but Scar Audio tweeters. Yep, it's gonna be great. It's gonna sound good. It's gonna look good. Got to work on the box still. I have no idea what I'm doing with that yet, so I'm tackling all this first. Come to the subwoofers in the box last, and then maybe even add some sound deadening material to the roof, because as you can see right there, there's absolutely nothing. It's bare metal. It's gonna sound hideous. But anyway, that's what's been going on. Just been lazy. Decided finally, get working on this thing again. Get excited about bass and my baby. So anyway, more to come. Thanks for watching. See ya.